Entrepreneurship and Financial Management Strategies for Small Businesses. Starting a small business can be exciting and challenging, but one of the most critical aspects of entrepreneurship is financial management. In this video, we will explore financial management strategies for small businesses, including cash flow management, budgeting, and financial planning. Financial management for small businesses. Small business owners need to understand the basics of financial management to manage their finances effectively. This includes financial planning, accounting, and risk management. Tips for managing cash flow. Cash flow management is crucial for the survival and growth of any small business. Here are some tips for managing cash flow. Keep track of your cash inflows and outflows. Make sure your customers pay you on time. Monitor your expenses and cut down on unnecessary expenses. Have a contingency plan in place to deal with unexpected expenses. How to create a business budget. Creating a business budget is an essential part of financial management. Here are some steps to create a business budget. Estimate your revenue and expenses for the year. Determine your fixed and variable costs. Set financial goals for your business. Allocate funds for marketing, inventory, and other expenses. Monitor and adjust your budget regularly. Financial management is crucial for the success of small businesses. By managing cash flow, creating a budget, and planning for the future, entrepreneurs can build a strong financial foundation for their business. Remember to prioritize financial management, seek expert advice when needed, and stay on top of your finances to ensure the success of your small business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on financial management for small businesses. Thank you for watching this video on financial management for small businesses. We hope you found it useful and informative. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more financial management tips.